Christian, thanks for the opportunity to visit WWS, part of the Mappal Group. But could you tell me a little bit about your background and also WWS?
Okay, I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm working since 10 years for Mappal WWS. Mappal WWS is the worldwide largest engineering and manufacturing facility for PCD tools. Its PCD products are a very important product in the Mappal product portfolio, and PCD products are mainly used for non-ferrous machining and, for example, for the new materials like carbon fiber materials and so on.
So could you explain to us what this competence center actually offers the group?
So Mappal is a global company, and our customers require all over the world a very high quality level in products and services. So the main task and objective of a competence center is to develop processes, to develop guidelines for processes which we roll out all over the world. This starts with the engineering of the products, with the tool layout, with the design of the tools. And furthermore, we have to take care about production. This means same equipment, same machinery, same shop supplies, same CNC programs. Everything have to be done as in the competence center. And this is very important that we get out of, at the end of the day, the same quality we do in every location where we do PCD products in the world is very stable and is same. For the customer in China, for example, or in Brazil, or in US, or in Europe.
So really what you're saying, Christian, this is the standard for all the companies within the Mappal Group with PCD tooling.
Yes. So it is very important, the know-how which is created here over the last years, over the last 20 years maybe. So it's get split out and get transferred all over the world. This means we have to train the people. We have to bring the people from outside to here. We train them on machines, in design department, wherever, also customer service, to use exact the same specifications and the same processes for the design, for the production, and also for the servicing of the tools in their countries.
And one thing I've seen walking around your facility here is the investment in the machines, the latest equipment, but also you have over 50 designers. That makes you unique in PCD tooling.
Yes. Yes. So it's Mappal-like. Mappal invests a lot of money in new equipment, new machines. We want to be with our products state-of-the-art, and you need state-of-the-art equipment to produce it. So I have here a very good example for this hollow mill. Here we combine the latest technologies in one tool. You see it's a laser printed or additive manufactured tool on the body with reduced weight, which reduce vibrations in the use of the tool. And we have also finished lasered cutting edges in the PCD area here. So this show how Mappal is working and combining technologies for the best customer value.
Being a world pioneer within the PCD tooling, where do you see the future within PCD tooling, and where do you think Mappal fit in with a mission statement?
The future for PCD tools we see also in automotive industry. A lot of components will stay also with electric-driven cars. We see it in every area of industry where non-ferrous materials or carbon fiber materials will be machined, like aerospace, like medical industry, like all the other industries. And what differentiates Mappal from the others? So Mappal has a really very proven expertise in creating processes, in creating tool solutions, is very innovative, and at the end of the day, we provide all over the world the best service with highest quality level.